Well, I had to redo the whole speaker thing.
Come on, give me a little dance. Do, 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 do. Lynn, put a song on that Sadie can dance to.
No!
I can't take it, take it.
No more.
No. Baby, what you waiting for?
Give me a little spin around. And those are...
I'm here to tell you.
Here, why don't you put your other
This is
beautiful...
our future superstar here.
Yeah. Why don't you put your jewel sandals on over there?
No.
Oh, okay. That's why I gotta get you some high heels.
Dan,
What?
you know when you twist your head around
Yes.
and it pains?
Oh, I hate that.
I hate that too. And I just did it.
Did you? Oh my God, I can't stand that. You know what cures that? Dancing and singing.